In this video, I'll show you everything that you need to know about making money on WarriorPlus, promoting affiliate offers. So stick with me for however long this video will be. I'll show you all of the important information that you need to know about WarriorPlus, and I'll even give you some tips and tricks along the way are going to help you make some more money promoting affiliate offers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to WarriorPlus.com, and it's going to take you to the main WarriorPlus page. Here you can read a little bit more about WarriorPlus if you want to, but to be honest, this doesn't really give you any useful information. The website just gives you some base information. You're best to watch this video, sign up for an account, and you'll be able to learn a lot quicker if you do it that way. So go to WarriorPlus.com, just go ahead and sign up for a free account. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to obviously create a free account. You can enter in a username, a password, and an email address, and confirm that you're not a robot here. So I'm just going to go and quickly do that. Okay, so now I've done that, I can now go and create my account. Now just a quick note, your username isn't going to be visible when you promote any products, so it really doesn't matter what your username is. Again, make sure you've got a strong password. Make sure you've entered in an email that you can access, because you're going to have to verify your email in a second. So we can now click create account, and it's going to take us to the next step where we can go and then verify that account. So when it loads here, we will be sent an email from WarriorPlus where we can then verify our account. So like I said, we now need to verify the account before we can use it. So go to your email and you should have an email again from WarriorPlus. So here's my email. All you want to do is you want to go and click on the link, and it will then take you to the main WarriorPlus dashboard, I do believe. Yep, so when you're here, you can just go ahead and log into your account. So I'm going to log into my account that I've just made here. So once you've done that and you're then logged into your account, you're going to be given some options here. You can tell WarriorPlus what your purpose is of creating an account. So you can click here and it says, I want to sell my own products. I'm assuming most of you though want to earn money as an affiliate promoting other people's products. So you can click on this here. It doesn't really make any official announcement to WarriorPlus, just then going to redirect you to this page where it gives you more information on how you can make money. But I would just close it and just watch this video because I'm going to give you my experience and I'm going to show you around the WarriorPlus platform and I'll show you everything you need to know really. So when you're on WarriorPlus, at any time you can go to the WarriorPlus dashboard here by clicking on the logo. Once you're here, you will see some quick links to go to the marketplace and things of that nature. The main reason you would probably want to go to the dashboard though is to see the top performing products. So here are the top products which have been bought today, yesterday, in the last 7 days and the last 30 days, and you can just click through these here. Now when you're on WarriorPlus for a while, you'll see the same vendors appear on this page here, and that's because these vendors know what they're doing. They know how to create products which sell. So these products could be products that you promote as an affiliate. So if you're looking for a good high converting product, maybe you can find it here on top products. Again, they're top products for a reason, because they're converting and they've sold the most copies. So one thing to note though, if you do go and click on a product on the dashboard page, it isn't going to take you to the page where you can get your affiliate link. It's instead going to take you to the sales page. So you can see this is the sales page where we could buy that product. Now obviously we don't want to go to that. We want to promote the product. So if you did, for example, wanted to promote this offer here, you would have to copy the product name and then we can go to affiliate and we can go to offers. Now, when you're on offers, you're not just going to see that offers or the top products. You're actually going to see all of the offers and they have thousands of offers available to you. So you can filter the offers by a keyword or the offer title. So if we wanted to find that offer which was in the top products on the homepage, we could just go ahead and enter in the name here. We can also filter by vendors. You can filter by the pulse, the launch date, and so on. And they have more filters here which you can use. So when you scroll down, you can also choose how many rows you want per page. And you can see, look how many pages they have of offers. So when you scroll down, you're going to see more offers. This one here will be an advertisement, so I wouldn't bother looking at this. What I would look for here is these offers here. So on these offers, you're going to have their release date, you're going to see the sales, the conversion rate, a visitor value, the average sale per visitor, the refund rate, which is very important when promoting WarriorPlus offers. Anything below a 5% refund rate is good, but look here, this one's 2%, this one is 11%. And that's going to be important when you're promoting products because you might get more sales, but if more people go and refund, you're not going to make that much money. So those are the numbers which are here next to the products. Now also next to the products, you're going to notice some icons. So this person here is a top 5% vendor. So he's making a lot of money and he has good products. So it's also something to take in mind when you're choosing a product to go and promote. They also have had 6 featured offers, which are going to be featured offers on the homepage, I do believe. And if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see more high profile vendors. So you've got top 1% vendor and so on. And you can keep scrolling down and you can find products which interest you that you might want to promote here. So when you've found a product, what you want to do is you want to go click on it. And this time it's not going to take us to the sales page. It's going to take us to the back end where we can see the vendor. We can see the commission structure, how much money we're going to be making, and any other information that we need to know. So here we can see the vendor. You can see the vendor is Digital Page Designs. Usually they have a photo. I don't know why this person doesn't. Again, you can see the same icons that we could do on the page before. You can see the price range of the product. So notice how the first price or the initial price of the product is $17.38, and then the price goes to $197. Now that's because with a lot of these products, they have different upsells and downsells. So if we go to products here, you can see the main product is $17.38. And again, you can see your commission on that. So you'll get an $8.69 commission. But then they also have bonuses that people can buy. So they have a no limit bonus, $39. And if they don't want that, they're going to give them this and try and sell them this and this. And think of this like, I like to give an example of when people go to McDonald's. Now, when people go to McDonald's and they try and buy a burger, McDonald's go, do you want fries and a drink with that? And they give you more upsells. And that's why WarriorPlus offers convert the best, because they give you a lot of upsells to go with the main product. So they're saying, do you want extreme no limits with your main extreme product? That'll be an extra $39. And so on. They go, do you want extreme no limits discount? That'll be an extra $19. And you can see this all in action by clicking on the funnel map. So it should show you here, once it loads, it should show you, so here it is, the upsells and downsells for this product. So you've got the main product page, you've got the upsell one, which is extreme no limits, and if they don't want that, they're going to give you the downsell here. If they do buy that, they're going to try and sell you this product. If you don't buy that, it'll be this product. If you do buy it, it'll be this product. So there's a huge funnel which people go through, and a huge sales page that they go through. And that's why products on WarriorPlus convert so well. If you go to the overview, you can see your commission range is from $8 to $715 for this product. If you scroll down, you've got more offer stats. They've had 2,000 plus sales, the conversion rate, the visitor value, and the refund rate here. Now, if we wanted to see the sales page, we could go here where it says view sales page, and it's going to show us the sales page of that offer. So here it is, we can understand more of what the product is, and we can decide if we want to promote it or not. So I'm going to click off here. Now, what you would want to do if you want to promote this product here, on WarriorPlus, you can't actually go and promote products right away. You're going to need request approval. So if you click here where it says request approval, you can go and write a note to this vendor explaining why you want to promote the offer. Now, when you're a beginner and when you've got no sales on your account, some vendors are going to be hesitant to accept your offer. Now, me on my main account with multiple sales under my belt, I can just request an offer without typing in any notes here, and I'll probably get accepted. Because when vendors see your request, they're also going to see your refund rate, how your traffic converts and things like that, how many sales you've made. But when you've got a brand new account, you're not going to have any of that information. So it's going to be important for you to write a note here, basically explaining who you are and how you intend to send traffic to the product. Once you've made a couple of sales, it'll be much easier and you'll really get approved every single time. And if you go back here, you can see you have to request approval on all different offers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my main account and then I'll show you what everything looks like once you've been approved. So here is my main account. Now, if I go to affiliate and I go to offers a game, you'll see here if I scroll down and I just filter by approved only, you can see I've got approved offers here. Now, these are all offers which I've been approved for. And what I can do is I can go and click here where it says get link and I can get my WarriorPlus link here. If you have any bonuses, you can put them in here, but we're not going to get into that in this video. So this link here you can use to send traffic to. So this link is your unique affiliate link. And when somebody goes and enters in this link, so let's just paste it in here, it's going to then take them to the product. And if they buy it, you're going to then earn a commission from that link. So that link is the only link, or like doing it this way is the only way to get your affiliate link. So make sure you're using the get link feature to get your affiliate link to these products. So just showing you a little bit more around WarriorPlus. When you go to affiliate and you go to dashboard, it's going to tell you how much money you've made over like today, yesterday, this month, and the last 30 days. You can see how many clicks you've sent, hops or clicks, and then how many sales you've made. So in this week here, I've only made $10. I've not been promoting anything, but this month it has been $216 and $216 for the last 30 days. If you go to affiliate and then you go to stats here, again, you'll see more detailed stats for your offers here. So if I go to view, I go last 30 days and then click go. You can see I've promoted Plex. I sent 100 clicks, 17 sales from 100 clicks, which is a 17% conversion rate, which is actually very high. And that's what I mean by WarriorPlus products converting really well. And from those 17 people that bought it, I earn $154. And then I also promoted YouTube Supremacy, which converted for me on a 10% conversion, and that earned me $62. If I wanted to then withdraw this money, I could then go to my WarriorPlus wallet up here, and my balance is currently in negative because I had a refund from Plex. But if this was green, I could go and withdraw my earnings. Now the earnings stay in your pending earnings for 30 days. After 30 days, they will be moved to your current balance, and you can then go and withdraw the money into PayPal. So that's pretty much all you need to know about WarriorPlus. The one thing I would say is choose products which have a low refund rate. Now I promoted Plex, and Plex, it has a very high refund rate. I knew that when I was promoting it, but it converted quite well. But you can see now I'm now minus 88 in my balance. So when this gets moved, it'll be $88 less. So you can make a lot of money with WarriorPlus. Choose your products wisely, go and promote them. If you want a method to promote affiliate products, not just WarriorPlus products, but all affiliate products for free without a website, watch this video here and I'll see you all in the next one.